this video, we are here to recollect the clauses of professional ethics. Without any further delay, let's move on. Okay, you just close your eyes, put your headsets on, and repeat together with me. Okay, let's try to catch up with the speed. And writing clause number with the appropriate clause wording is very much important in CA final audit examination. So without any further delay, let's directly move on to the topic. Okay, part 1 of the first schedule deals with professional misconduct in relation to the chartered accountants in practice, while part 2 deals with professional misconduct for the members of the institute who are in service, while part 3 deals with general professional misconduct, and part 4 deals with general other misconduct. Part 1 of the second schedule deals with professional misconduct for chartered accountant in practice, and part 2 deals with professional misconduct generally, and part 3 deals with other misconduct generally. So let's tell it out or read it out as in the manner as we write in the examination. Okay, so yeah, as clause 1 of part 1 of the first schedule Chartered Accountants Act 1949, chartered accountant in practice is deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he allows any person to practice in his name as a chartered accountant unless such person is also a chartered accountant in practice and is in partnership with or employed by him. As per clause 2 of 1 of the first schedule Chartered Accountants Act 1949, chartered accountant in practice is deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he pays or allows or agrees to pay or allow directly or indirectly any share, commission or brokerage in the fees or profits of his professional business to any person other than a member of the institute or a partner or a retired partner or the legal representative of a deceased partner or a member of any other professional body or with such other persons having such qualifications as may be prescribed for the purpose of rendering such professional services from time to time in or outside India. As per clause 3 of part 1 of the first schedule Chartered Accountants Act 1949, chartered accountant in practice is deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he accepts or agrees to accept any part of the profits of the professional work of a person who is not a member of the institute, provided that nothing herein contained shall be construed as prohibiting a member from entering into profit sharing or other similar arrangement, including receiving any share, commission or brokerage in the fees with a member of such professional body or such other person having qualifications as is referred to in item 2 of this part. As per clause 4 Chartered Accountants Act 1949, chartered accountant in practice is deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he enters into partnership in or outside India with any person other than the chartered accountant in practice or such other person who is a member of any other professional body having such qualification as may be prescribed, including a resident who, but for his residence abroad, would be entitled to be registered as a member under clause 5 of subsection 1 of section 4 or whose qualification are recognized by the central government or the council for the purpose of permitting such partnership. As per clause 5 of part 1 of the first schedule Chartered Accountants Act 1949, the chartered accountant be guilty of professional misconduct if he secures either through the services of a person who is not an employee of the chartered accountant or who is not his partner or by means which are not open to a chartered accountant any professional business, provided that nothing herein contained shall be construed as prohibiting any agreement permitted in terms of item 2, 3 and 4 of this part. As per clause 6 of part Chartered Accountants Act 1949, chartered accountant in practice is deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he solicits client or professional work either directly or indirectly by circular, advertisement, personal communication or interview or by any other means, provided that nothing herein contained shall be construed as preventing or prohibiting any chartered accountant from applying or requesting for or inviting or securing professional work from another chartered accountant in practice or a member from responsible tenders or enquiries issued by various users of the professional services or organization from time to time. Chartered accountant in practice is deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he advertises his professional attainments or services or uses any designation or expression other than chartered accountant on professional documents, visiting cards, letterheads or signboards, unless it be a degree of university established by law in India or recognized by the central government or a title indicating the membership of the institute of the chartered accountants or of any other institution that has been recognized by the central government or may be recognized by the council, provided that the member in practice may advertise through a write-up setting out the services provided by him or his firm and the particular guidelines as may be issued by the council. As per clause 8 of part 1 of the first schedule Chartered Accountants Act 1949, chartered accountant in practice is deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he accepts a position as an auditor previously held by another chartered accountant or a certified auditor who has been issued certificate under the Restricted Certificates Rule 1932 without first communicating with him in writing. As per clause 9 of part Chartered Accountants Act 1949, chartered accountant in practice is deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he accepts an appointment as an auditor of a company without first ascertaining whether the requirements of Section 139 and 140 of the Companies Act 2013 in respect of such appointment have been duly complied with. As per Clause 10 of Part 1 of the First Chartered Accountants Act 1949, Chartered Accountant in practice is deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he charges or offers to charge, accepts or offers to accept in respect of any professional employment fees which are based on the percentage of profits or which are contingent upon the findings or a result of such employment, except as permanent under any regulations made under this Act. As per Clause 11 of Part 1 of the First Chartered Accountants Act 1914, Chartered Accountant in practice is deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he engages in any business or occupation other than the profession of Chartered Accountant, unless permitted by the Council so to engage, provided that nothing herein contained shall disentitle a Chartered Accountant from being a director of a company, not being a managing director or a whole-time director, unless any of his partners is interested in such company as an auditor. As per Clause 12 of Chartered Accountants Act 1949, Chartered Accountant in practice is deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he allows a person not being a member of the institute in practice or a member not being his partner to sign on his behalf or behalf of his firm any balance sheet, profit and loss account, report or financial statement. Now, Part 2. As per Clause 1 of Part 2 of the First Chartered Accountants Act 1949, a member of the institute other than a member in practice shall be deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he, being an employee of a company, firm or a person, pays or allows or agrees to pay any person any share in the emoluments of the employment undertaken by him. As per Clause 2 of Part 2 of the First Chartered Accountants Act 1949, a member of the institute other than a member in will be deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he, being an employee of a company, a firm or a person, accepts or agrees to the fees, profits or gains from a lawyer, a chartered accountant or a broker engaged by such company, firm or a person, or agent or customer of such company, firm or a person by way of commission or gratification. As per Clause 1 of Part 3 of the First Chartered Accountants Act 1949, a member of the institute, whether in practice or not, shall be deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he, not being a fellow of the institute, act as a fellow of the institute. As per Clause 2 of Chartered Accountants Act 1949, a member of the institute, whether in practice or not, shall be deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he does not supply the information called for or does not comply with the requirements asked for by the institute, council or any of its committee, director, discipline, board of discipline, disciplinary committee, quality review board or the appellate authority. As per Clause 3 of Part 3 of the First Chartered Accountants Act 1949, a member of the institute, whether in practice or not, shall be deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he, while inviting professional work from another chartered accountant or while responding to tenders or inquiry or while advertising through a write-up or anything as provided for in items 6 and 7 of Part 1 of this gives information knowingly it to be false. As per Clause 1 of Part 4 of the First Chartered Accountants Act 1949, a member of the institute, whether in practice or not, shall be deemed to be guilty of other misconduct if he is held guilty by any civil or criminal court for an offence which is punishable with imprisonment for a term not exceeding 6 months. As per Clause 2 of Part 4 of the First Chartered Accountants Act 1949, a member of the institute, whether in practice or not, shall be deemed to be guilty of other misconduct if he, in the opinion of the council, brings disrepute to the profession or the institute as a result of his action, whether or not related to his professional work. So with this, we complete the first schedule. Now let's move on to the second schedule. As per Clause 1 of Part 1 of the second schedule to Chartered Accountants Act 1949, a chartered accountant in practice shall be deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he discloses information acquired in the course of his professional engagement to any person other than so engaging him without the consent of his client or otherwise than is required by any law for the time being enforced. 1 of the second schedule to Chartered Accountants Act 1949, a chartered accountant in practice shall be deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he certifies or submits in his name or in the name of his firm a report on the examination of a financial statement unless the examination of such statements and related records has been made by him or by a partner or an employee in his firm or by any other chartered accountant in practice. As per Clause 3 of Part 1 of the second schedule, Chartered Accountants Act 1949, a chartered accountant in should be deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he permits his name or the name of his firm to be used in connection with the estimate of earnings contingent upon the future transactions in a manner which may lead to the belief that he vouches for the accuracy of the forecast as per clause 4 of Part Schedule Chartered Accountants Act 1949. Practice shall be deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he expresses his opinion on the financial statement of any business or enterprise in which he, his firm, or a part. Clause 5 of Part 1 of the Second Schedule Chartered Accountants Act 1949. A chartered accountant in practice shall be deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he fails to disclose a material fact known to which is not disclosed in a financial statement, but disclosure of which is necessary in making such financial statement where he is concerned with that financial statement in a professional capacity. As per Clause 6 of Part 1 of the Second Schedule Chartered Accountants Act 1949, chartered accountant in practice will be deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he fails to report a material misstatement known to him to appear in a financial statement with which he is concerned in a professional capacity as per Clause 7 of the Schedule Chartered Accountants Act 1949. A chartered accountant in practice will be deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he does not exercise due diligence or is grossly negligent in the conduct of his professional duties. As per Clause 8 of Part 1 of the Second Schedule Chartered Accountants Act 1949, a chartered accountant in practice will be deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he fails to obtain sufficient information which is necessary for expression of an opinion or its exceptions are sufficiently material to negate the expression of an opinion. As Second Schedule Chartered Accountants Act 1949, a chartered accountant in practice shall be deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he fails to invite attention to any material departure from the generally accepted procedure of audit applicable to the circumstances. As per Clause 10 of Part Second Schedule Chartered Accountants Act 1949, chartered accountant in practice shall be deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he fails to keep the monies of his client other than the fees or remuneration or money meant to be expended in a separate bank account or to use such money for the purpose for which they are intended within a reasonable time. As per Accountants Act 1949, a member of the institute, whether in practice or not, shall be deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he contravenes any of the regulations made under or any guidelines issued by the council as per Clause 2 of Part 2 of the Second Schedule Chartered professional misconduct if he, being an employee of a company, firm, or a person, discloses confidential except as and when required by any law for the time being enforced, except as permitted by the employer. As per Clause 3 of Part 2 of the Second Schedule Chartered Accountants Act 1949, a member of the institute, whether in practice or not, shall be deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he includes in any information, statement, written or form to be submitted to the institute council or any of its committee, director, discipline, board of discipline, disciplinary committee, quality review board, or an appellate authority, any particulars knowingly them to be false. And Clause 4 of Part 2 of the Second Schedule Chartered Accountants Act 1949, member of the institute, whether in practice or not, shall be deemed to be guilty of professional misconduct if he defalcates or embezzles money received in his professional capacity. As per Clause 1 of Part 3 of the Second Schedule Chartered Accountants Act 1949, a member of the institute, whether in practice or not, shall be deemed to be guilty of other misconduct if he is held guilty by any civil or criminal court for an offence which is punishable with imprisonment for a term exceeding 6 months. With this, we complete all the clauses in professional ethics. Give a big round of applause to all of you. Thank you so much.